Data now plays a crucial role in decision-making processes at every stage in all diverse organizations, government, business, individual, and so on. Data-driven decision-making enables evidence-based judgments. However, managing this data requires an awareness of monitoring and evaluation. A course on data monitoring and evaluation is therefore essential for anyone who wants to develop the skills and knowledge needed to manage data effectively and harness it for a plethora of purposes and applications. I, Nayana, on behalf of Team IMPRI, Impact and Policy Research Institute, New Delhi, invite and welcome you to join Data Monitoring and Evaluation, an online international summer school program, a 2-month immersive online hands-on certificate training course to be held during June to July of 2023. This is an initiative of IMPRI #Web Policy Learning, which offers online learning on cutting-edge issues with top experts at an affordable fees and facilitates learning at your pace and place. The distinguished experts for the course consists of a variety of academics, practitioners, researchers, and subject matter experts who will share their knowledge and experience with you. In this course, participants will learn how to collect, analyze, and interpret data using various tools along with monitoring and evaluation, thus making them better equipped to navigate the complex world of data management and make informed decisions that can drive positive change. The program consists of hands-on data learning sessions using Microsoft Excel and e-views covering probability distributions, introduction of ANOVA, and interpretation of model and dummy variable. For hands-on practice, example datasets will be provided during the sessions for learning. There will also be numerous curated expert sessions on thematic issues to learn the insights of theory, methods, tools, techniques, and applications. This program is intended for working professionals, public policy enthusiasts, researchers, academic staff, members of civil society, activists, interested learners, and graduate and undergraduate students who are passionate about data and policy making. We bring to you this course in light of the positive feedback given by our participants from last year's courses on data. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your skills and knowledge in data management. Apart from the certification, there are also various other benefits available. Do check out the detailed program and course structure. Come and join us for data monitoring and evaluation course. Enroll now.